Alright, let's see where we're at now. So I think it looks pretty good. I never really get the bottom as much as I want. Let's see here. I could go for a little bit more scorching on the side there, but this is alright. So transfer it to my peel. And that pretty much does it. Let's see what it looks like underneath. I mean, it's not bad. If you can see under there, it is crisping or crispy sounding. I put a little olive oil on the edge. Well, I put it on the whole pie, but I went out to the edge this time. Looks a little different, maybe a little shiny. Not bad, not too bad. Anyway, the bacon is satisfactory. I like the bacon chewy. There's a lot of grease in some of these, like that. That is a greasy piece of bacon there. Let's see, get it in there. That's like little pizza butter for the crust. When you get to the crust, you have a little butter at the end there, or dipping oil, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, there it is.